guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Charlotte Tilbury Party Girl Kit. I picked this up during the Sephora VIP sale and I wanted to test it out for you guys. I have never tried anything from Charlotte Tilbury until this kit. So if you are interested in knowing all of my thoughts on this and also seeing a demo, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. It's just an expensive brand and I didn't really know where to start. So here we are. So this kit comes with 5 deluxe sample sizes. It comes with a eye chameleon. This actually on the container says it is for brown eyes. I have green eyes, so whatever. It comes with the lip cheat, which is a lip liner in the shade Pillow Talk. It comes with the lipstick in Pillow Talk. It comes with a, like, it says liquid liner, but it's kind of like a gel pencil-ish liner. And then lastly, it comes with the Full Fat Lashes Mascara. In general, I think mascaras are great in sample sizes because generally they will dry up anyway before you get through an entire like full-size tube. The eyeliner, I don't mind having it in a sample size, and also like this eye pencil. I just want to show you guys the packaging so that I can open it up. But it's this really pretty like glittery packaging. Okay, I'm gonna go in the order of how I applied these and I will show you guys the demo of me applying them as I talk about them. So first up is the color Chameleon. This is in the shade Amber Haze and it says for brown eyes. The packaging is really beautiful, just like all of the packaging for this brand. And you just open it up. It does have the pencil on here. And the color is really, really pretty. It's a shimmery finish. And this is one of those things that you could put all over your lid and blend out with your finger. And it's really, really pretty. This is a full-size product that was included in the kit, which is awesome because it does retail for $27. The whole kit is $45, like I mentioned earlier. This is in the shade Amber Haze, which again is for brown eyes. And online it says, an easy eye color enhancing pencil that smudges and sets. Charlotte Tilbury's eyeshadow pencil is designed to enhance eyes by complementing specific eye colors. It's a hybrid product that can be used as a shadow or liner. So I totally agree with that. I think that this would be awesome as a liner too if you wanted to do that. I put it all over my lid and then just smudged it out with my finger and I think that it is gorgeous. I think maybe a different color would have been better for kind of like a more everyday look. This is a bit darker than I would normally go on a day-to-day basis, but I do think that it still looks fine with my green eyes. I don't think that it looks bad. I just think that maybe it looks even better for people who have brown eyes. I will say that it does not crease. It hasn't flaked or anything like that. I'm actually really impressed with it. Next up is the Rock and Kohl eyeliner. This is in the shade Bedroom Black. The full size of this retails for $27. It comes in 6 colors. And it says a hybrid waterproof Kohl eyeliner pencil. This long-lasting formula combines the silky application of a liquid liner with the sultry, smudgy texture of Kohl. So this one I traced my upper lash line and then I smudged it out with a smudge pencil, or a smudge brush rather. I really like this. I think that the color is really, really nice. It's really pigmented. It was very easy to glide on. I wasn't pulling at my eyelids at all, which I appreciate. If you guys have been following me for a while, there's a few eyeliners that I've tried over the past few months that it's like you're like pulling so hard at your eyelid and I just don't want to do that. So this one glides on really nicely. I haven't been in a situation that I would need it to be waterproof, so I can't speak for that, but I will say that it has lasted all day on me and it does not smudge. It doesn't transfer up to my upper lid, which sometimes I notice does happen with liners like this. And it hasn't faded throughout the day. I think that it looks just as good when I put it on as it does when I take it off. The next product I tried was the Full Fat Lashes. And this says that it curls, separates, volumizes, lengthens, and adds drama. And this mascara retails for $29 for the full size. The wand looked very promising in my opinion. It's a tapered wand and there are so many tiny, tiny bristles, which is normally the kind of wand that I really like. I feel like that's kind of what helps separate, and I like that they're close together because when the bristles are farther apart, it's harder to not make my lashes look clumpy. So I tried this. I'm just gonna read what it says online about it. It says a multitasking 5-in-1 mascara formula that curls, separates, boosts volume, and lengthens lashes for maximum drama. I will say I did 2 full coats of this and I like it, but there are so many other mascaras that I like more than this one. So this is one of those that I will likely use. Actually, I think this would be a really good first coat to use under my Hourglass Caution Extreme. But I have tons of other mascaras that I really like for that as well. I think it's separated really nicely. My lashes don't feel stiff or anything like that. They feel still nice and fluffy, and it did hold the curl. I just like other mascaras more. I feel like it didn't give me as dramatic of a look as I normally go for. This is also a drier formula, which I had said that the Hourglass one is too. It's not a wet formula, which I actually really like. But a lot of times, if it's a formula like that, it's harder to get that drama built up. Okay, moving on to the lip products. These are the products that I was the most excited to try just because everyone talks about these. So first up is the Lip Cheat. This is in the shade Pillow Talk. This is the shade that everyone talks about. This liner retails for $22 for the full size. This is a sample size, but the shade is really pretty. It's like a nice everyday shade. Shades like this, I feel like you can wear under basically any lipstick color that you would want to wear. And online it says, a rich velvety lip liner to reshape, resize, and balance the look of lips. So this is definitely one of those lip liners that, again, just like the eyeliner, you don't have to tug at your lips. It just glides on really, really nicely. I felt like it was super easy to line my lips and I really enjoyed using it. Again, this did not bleed out of my lip lines at all. It did not fade. It lasted really nicely. It was not one of those last all day without reapplying kind of situations. After eating and everything, I did end up reapplying it, but I think that it lasted a very long time while I wasn't eating. Like, I have been drinking a drink this entire time while I've been working today, and my lips still look really fresh. Okay, the last product in here is the lipstick. This is the Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. Again, a lot of the reviews said that the lipstick was teeny tiny, which it is. This is like the smallest little lipstick. So yeah, you are not getting a lot of product at all with this. For me, it's one of those things, again, that I wanted to try out the brand, and so if I didn't get a lot of lipstick, it wasn't going to be the end of the world. This does retail for $34 if you buy the full size, not this one, obviously. It's really nice and creamy and opaque. The color is really, really beautiful. I feel like this would be a really nice shade on a lot of different skin tones. Online, it says, a matte lipstick that features a long-lasting, buildable, and hydrating formula. So I will say that this is a very comfortable formula. Again, since it is a typical regular lipstick, although it's matte, it is not transfer proof. So this is definitely still transferring, which for me is totally expected. It's not a liquid lipstick, but it will still stay on. It's not completely transferring off. I didn't notice that it faded really unnaturally. A lot of times lipsticks will fade and your lips will just look insane while it's fading. This did not do this. This faded really nicely, and then I was able to reapply it, no problem. Overall, I really do like this lipstick, but I think that I liked the lip liner better just because I think I would have gone for a slightly lighter lipstick color, although I do really like this one, and I think the shade is really universal for a lot of people, so I'm not surprised why this is kind of like a cult favorite and everyone loves it. Okay, so those are all of the products from the kit. Again, the kit retails for $45, and out of the 5 products, I liked the eyeshadow pencil. I don't know that I'll use it all the time. I do like the lipstick, I liked the Kohl liner, and I like the lip liner. The only thing that I'll probably pass on is the mascara. As far as the price point and if it's worth it or not, I have a couple of thoughts about that. I personally had not tried anything from the brand and I wanted to try a few things out. So I think for me personally, it was worth it because I was able to try 5 products without individually spending the money on each product in order to try it out. That being said, I think that the lipstick is probably the thing in the kit that most people are excited to try out just because it is such a cult classic. So the fact that this is teeny tiny is a little iffy to me, especially because they gave us a full-size eyeshadow pencil that says that it's for brown eyes. I think you can wear it no matter what color your eyes are, but this is something that's like more specific for brown eyes. So I think that maybe they could have gone bigger in the lipstick and maybe done a deluxe sample in the eyeshadow pencil as well, because this is a product that I don't think a lot of people are going to go through the entire thing. So I don't know about value if you've tried out a bunch of things from this brand. I don't think this is something that you should necessarily spend your money on. But if you were like me and you haven't tried the brand out before and you're curious about a few of the products, I would recommend getting this just because you'll be able to try out a few of the products, and a lot of these will last for a while. Like the eyeliner and the lip liner, these sample sizes are very generous, so I can see these lasting in my collection for quite a long time. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I hope that it's helpful for you in one way or another. Let me know down below in the comments if you've tried out Charlotte Tilbury, if you want to, have you been looking at this kit? Let me know all the things down below, and if you have a favorite product from her, let me know because I want to try out more stuff. I'm really curious about her face products. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.